Meaning of drive-through.
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 Drive-through. Drive-through refers to a service offered by businesses, typically in the food or retail industry, where customers can remain in their vehicle while conducting their transaction. This convenience allows customers to order or purchase items without the need to park, enter the establishment, or wait in line. It is a popular option for those who are short on time or want to minimize physical contact. Drive-through services have become increasingly popular in recent years and are now commonly found in fast food restaurants, coffee shops, pharmacies, and even banks.